So it has like a, it's me trying to talk to y'all while the blow dryer's on. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zaria. If you don't know me, and in today's video I am showing y'all 4 hairstyles you can do with your natural hair. Y'all know I stay in a wig. I don't never wear my natural hair. Like, I don't do none of that. But because of that, I've been neglecting like natural hair videos on my channel. So today I wanted to show y'all some styles you can do with your natural hair if you just not like a wig girly, or like you just like a more natural look when it comes to your hair. So yeah, I just decided to kind of like get out of my comfort zone and just do some natural hair looks. I do have type 4 hair. I believe it's like 4B. I don't know. Don't come at me crazy in the comments if I'm wrong, but I think it's 4B. So yeah, you guys are gonna see me not wash my hair, but blow dry it, flat iron it, and basically just show y'all 4 different hairstyles that you can do, whether you want to work, school, club, I don't know where you go, but wherever you want to go. Remember to like this video, comment below, comment your favorite hairstyle below of the 4. You can probably guess what mine is. Of course, subscribe to my channel if you have not already. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing these hairstyles, then keep watching. Okay, so before I get into styling my hair, I'm gonna blow dry it and obviously flat iron it. I already washed my hair and I did like a hair mask or whatever. So now I'm just going to blow dry it and flat iron it. This is the blow dryer that I'm gonna be using. It's T3 and it comes with another brush head. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this one that looks like a brush, and I'm just gonna blow dry my hair. In this spray bottle, I just have water and aloe juice. I'll link everything below. I have my hair kind of like parted in 2 sides right now. I don't know how good the part looks in the back because I can't see that, but yeah. So I'm gonna start with blow drying, and I'm gonna try to do smaller sections so I can do a really good job. So I just sprayed the aloe juice and water on my hair just because my hair blow dries better when it's damp. I think everyone's hair does, but I don't know. I don't want to speak for everybody. But yeah, I have to wet my hair before blow drying it. And then I'm gonna use my Cheese Silk Infusion just to make my hair more silky. It really gets very, very soft when I blow dry with this. Like, I definitely see a difference. Y'all probably already know, but yeah, before I like blow dry or straighten, Chi makes your hair like really soft. And then I'm also using this Tresemme heat protectant. This is what it looks like. And I'm just spraying that on my hair to protect it from the heat of the blow dryer. And I use a blow dryer on the highest setting. You don't gotta do that if you don't want to. So it has like a, it's me trying to talk to y'all while the blow dryer's on. So it has a temperature setting to where you can turn it all the way up or all the way down, wherever you want. And then it also has like a fan setting, so that's just how hard it blows. So down here it doesn't blow that hard, but up here it blows pretty hard. My hair is blow dried now. I really don't even think I did the best job, but I did my best. So now it's time to flat iron it. So I'm just pinning my hair up, basically like half and half. I'm using this, I'm pretty sure this is pronounced Baby Bliss, even though there's no, I don't know. I'm using this flat iron. I'll link it below. I actually really like this flat iron. This is my favorite flat iron that I own. So I'm using this one. I set the heat at 390 just cause like I don't want to fry my hair. I mean, I feel like that is kind of hot, but I didn't really want to like fry my hair, so I'm gonna set it at this. I also like barely ever flat iron my hair, so hopefully that means something. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and flat iron my hair with this, and then yeah, we're gonna get into the styles. Okay.
So you better take your time. Me, so I remember last time you wouldn't make love to me. Then you fell fast asleep. Wouldn't even talk to me. No. Say I'm so crazy, baby. I'm so crazy. I wanted you to raise my mind. I got the keys. Me. I wanted you to raise my mind. Me. I wanted you to raise my mind. They said you got high as the sky. Up all night just dancing. Oh, I hit you like, please come home to me. Come home to me. But you're not understanding. No. You gon' make me beg, make me plead, please. Wanted you to raise my mind. I got the keys. I just figured you could make time.
Okay, so my hair is straight. I feel like I could have probably made the flat iron hotter, but I guess it's cool. Y'all know I don't wear my natural hair. So, so let's get into the styles. So the first style, I want to do like a little bang kind of situation. So we're gonna part those out. Okay, so I got my bangs and I'm gonna just twist them out the way. Then the rest of my hair is gonna go up in the ponytail. Okay, now I'm just taking the bangs out. Okay, so now that I got it in the ponytail, I'm gonna wrap it up and kind of like wrap it around itself to make like a top knot. Period. And then I'm curling the bangs. And then I'm just gonna bring some hair down on the sides. I'm fixing the bun to like look a little more like a knot. Now, if this was a wig, I probably would have took some scissors to these bangs, but I'm gonna cut my hair, so on to the next style. So for the next one, I'm keeping the ponytail and I'm actually gonna curl it at the ends. My hair already has like a lot of body, so I just know this one gonna be cute, okay?
I'd rather be smoking weed whenever we breathe. Every time you kiss me, don't say that you miss me. Just come get me.
Okay, so this is hairstyle number 2. I was kind of mad that my hair didn't straighten all the way, but I feel like with this hairstyle, it's real cute because it's giving it a whole lot of body, okay? Normally, I would like wrap some hair around the hair tie. So if you do this hairstyle, you could definitely wrap some hair around the hair tie just to hide it. But for the sake of I'm doing other hairstyles, I'm not gonna do that. But just so you can get an idea. You could also like curl them tighter like how I just did and leave them more just like long strands instead of bangs. It's cute. This one's a cute one. And you could obviously make the ponytail like higher if you wanted to, or lower, or wherever you prefer to like put your ponytail. I personally like high ponytails, or like ponytails like in the middle of my head. I just made it so tight. Ugh, the side of my head. But yeah, I think this one is real cute. Period. Period. Ooh. Okay, next hairstyle. Let me take this ponytail down. Okay, the next style is gonna be like a half up, half down. And then same situation, I'm gonna just curl it. The funny thing is, this is actually my favorite hairstyle to do on my wigs. And I'm doing it viral hair. And if you want to do this style and like not be putting heat in your hair every day, you could definitely do like a flexi rod set. This one real cute. But yeah, I really like this one. Of course, again, typically if I was like really doing this style about to leave out, I would probably like cover the hair tie, of course, but just for the sake of you being able to like, you know, see the hairstyle, this is another idea you could do. I really like it. This is probably one of my favorite ones. Okay, period. So this is hairstyle number 3. I hope y'all like it. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it. Picasso. Period. Okay, time for the last style. I need to go get another hair tie because, oh, hair going. Dang, this one loose as hell. Ugh, this one is on my nerves. Okay, so this wasn't exactly the style, but if you want to leave it like this, you totally can. It's definitely cute. Obviously, I would curl the ponytails, but that's not the style I'm doing. So I'm just gonna twist the ponytails and turn them into little like space buttons, like that, period. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with the other side. Is a space bun the same thing as a top knot? I definitely called it a space bun, but I think it's a top knot. But I don't know if that might just be the same thing. I feel like I gotta recurl these bangs. Typically I would put like hairspray, but I don't think I'm about to keep my hair like this. So I don't want to put hairspray in it for no reason, because you know hairspray got alcohol in it. Not that me putting extra heat on my hair is any better, but period. Okay, so this is the last hairstyle. This one's really cute too. Like, if y'all know me, y'all know I love a half up, half down. Like, half up, half down is my favorite hairstyle. Like, no matter how you do it, like, it's just always gonna be my favorite hairstyle. Period. But yeah, y'all, that's all of the hairstyles. Alright, y'all, so those are my 4 hairstyles you can do on your natural hair. I don't really wear my natural hair ever, to be honest. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you guys, this is actually my first time doing some of these styles, but I just wanted to do something different on my channel. Like I just be giving you wig after wig after wig after wig, and that's because I be wearing wig after wig, but I just wanted to like do something different and something affordable. Like, how much money do you save just wearing your hair? You feel me? Like, so yeah, remember to like this video if you like this video. Comment below, comment your favorite hairstyle. And yeah, I don't think I really got anything else to say other than thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.